Okay, in this video we're going to go through Hyper-V, setting up a Kali Linux virtual machine. So some pre-setup you have to do is make sure that you have Windows 11 Pro. Windows 11 Pro has Hyper-V with it. Once you have Windows 11 Pro, you're going to want to go to your control panel, programs and features, turn on Windows features, and make sure Hyper-V is enabled. After you get those two steps done, you're going to want to grab the Kali Linux ISO right here. That's going to be on the website, and you'll be able to install that to your virtual machine. So after you get those prerequisites done, you're going to go open up Hyper-V Manager. The easiest way to do it is do quick create here. It's going to load up a few operating systems, but we're going to do local installation source. We're going to do change, go where your ISO is. So mine's right there. Hit open. You're going to turn off secure boot. If you don't turn off secure boot, it's not going to work. If you click more options, we can rename it. So we'll call this one Kali, and it's going to have the default network adapter, which is just your network adapter on your machine. And the default save location is the program data Windows Hyper-V virtual disks. So we're going to hit create, then we'll hit connect, start, and it's going to boot up our installer right here. So we'll do graphic install, English, states, English again. Do whatever language and region that is for you. And there's going to be a few loading screens that we're going to have to wait through here as well. Alright, I'm going to keep Kali as the host name. It's not on a domain, so we'll skip that. For the user, I'm just going to put my name and make your own password here. And then we'll stick with our time zone. It's pretty straightforward setup process once you get to this. The hardest part is making sure that the VM boots and that you have everything configured correctly. So we'll do entire disk here, set up using the virtual disk, all partitions, and we'll do finish, and we're going to allow it to make those changes. So make sure you click yes on that prompt, and now it's going to install the OS. Alright, now that that is done, we're going to hit continue. We don't need to install any of those optional features. We'll just take the defaults with it. Feel free to select those if you need them for what you're setting this up for. Alright, now that it's done, we're going to hit continue. It's going to reboot. Hit enter on that. It's going to load the OS. Alright, and now we have our login. So just put in the credentials that you typed in during setup. And now we're in. And now you're in your Kali Linux box. Hopefully this will help you set that up for yourself as a testing environment or for work-related issues. But that's all there is to it. Thanks.